everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to sign in into the Uber accounts of your. So for that, open the Uber application that you have downloaded. Allow Uber to access this device location. Tap on allow only while using the app. On the home page, you tap on get started. Now to log in, you will need to provide your phone number. You can also log in with Google, Apple, Facebook. That is only if you have linked your Uber account with these social media platforms. If not, you need to log in through mobile number. Tap on the country drop-down menu and from there you choose your country region. And then after you type in your phone number, tap on continue. You will need to go through the verification. A 4-digit code will be sent to the mobile number. As you can see, the code has been auto-detected and I have been moved forward to the login process. Here you need to type in the password, then tap on next, and with that you will be logged in into the Uber accounts of your. You are at the home page currently, so this is how you can log in into the Uber account of yours. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.